Hi, this is Eskluontala. After last episode I have been running this command for a long time to see that how stable tests are, and I have found some places like these end-to-end tests they are usually used to fail like after 2 or 3 hours of running this command, meaning that it fails maybe every 100 builds or so, which is not good enough, although it's quite good, but it's easy to fix, so it's first fixing. And then I have been investigating that which of these events are actually necessary, and as earlier was the problem, if we only had this channel disconnected event, then sometimes this event would not come, but instead of that this disconnect request event would come. But I also noticed that sometimes neither of these events comes. We get connected, but after that it doesn't get disconnected. It skips that event completely and then gives this channel unbound event, and that is followed by channel closed event. So these close requests, they work better, and in particular just this one appears to be enough. Yeah, well, let's write a note about this. So that was, yeah, this thing. Yeah, well, I will keep those. So let's see. Yeah, now it won't suggest committing that. Then this test in here, I noticed that sometimes it would happen so that the launcher's actor thread was still alive after it was closed in here, and this one uses the it calls the await termination method in the executor service. And if we have a look at its implementation, we see here is the run state is checks when it comes terminated, and it's only checked in one set in one place, and that's here. And let's see. Yeah, it's this method that calls it inside the worker. So the problem is that this worker is marked finished before the thread ends. It's marked here even though the thread will stop after a couple of commands, and there's a small race condition that the executor's worker threads are not yet finished when I'm asking that what threads they are after the closing the executor. So like this. Yeah, that's immutable. Yeah, well, I will write a couple of filter methods to do this thing. We wait for 1 millisecond to see whether the thread exits, and then that appears to work. Okay. Yeah, and I think I have some example of that output. Yeah, we get this kind of failure messages. And yeah, that with 1 millisecond and 50 millisecond joins it solves the problem, and yes, without that joining we see that okay, the thread is still runnable and alive, but if we do this short waiting, then that's fixed. And it should still be working. While we are here, let's refactor this. Would be so much easier to do this if we would have a functional language at hand. So, but it's not, as long as we don't need to do it too many times. And now we should be able to chain these together. Edit the IDE crash. Oh. No, I just got confused. We have a lot. Not the nicest code. And Yeah, better document this. Okay. Now, this test should be reliable. And with that done, okay, this is done. And yeah, I will still need to check these later. That is, are they now repeatable or not? Then maybe we can now start working on this one. This is not implemented. Maybe we can make it pass. This timeout is a bit too long. Yeah. Let's make this work so that I can remove these old failure reports. To make this class, we need to plug in those timeout classes I created recently. I think they are in the daemon module. Yeah, this one and this one. And first we should be able to start with a fixed timeout. We can make it configurable later. Let's see that way is it that we need to put it. This will go away. And we need to connect it to the network handler. This one. And we don't have any unit tests for this class. Yeah, well, let's start with some tests for that. We need to implement that, and then, but first we need to use the timeout. Okay, well, thank you for watching and see you later.